This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Welcome back to the channel all. I hope all had a good weekend, and going forward this week, I hope all have a prosperous week. We're going to jump into week 33 of our Roth. Looking at the account total is currently sitting at $15,318.07. Today is August 9th, and I have updated that account balance to $15,318.07. And looking at history here real quick, our Wish call, GoPro call, and the GoPro put, and the Blink call all expired worthless. So looking at this week, we're just going to go straight down the line, starting with Blink, cost basis $37.71 a share. We're going to click on the down arrow, go to option chains. Looking at our cost basis $37.71, it doesn't go past it, so we'll just come over here to all to expand this chain to see more strike prices. We're checking that we're 4 days out. Cost basis $37.71, so we'll come down to 38, which is the first one above our cost basis. We're going to come over, click on trade. Reading this, we're selling Blink, expiration the 13th of August, $38 strike price. It'll be a call option. We're going to sell to open. We're going to do a quantity of 100 shares equals one contract. Doing one contract. This will be a market order. The market is now open. I'll review and submit this. Next we have Wish, cost basis $10.31 a share. Just going down the line here. We'll click on the down arrow, go to option chains. Looking at this, it's 4 days out. Cost basis was $10.31. The first one above it will be $10.50. We're going to come over here, click on trade. Looking at this, Wish, expiration 13th of August, $10.50 strike price, call option. We're going to sell to open. We're selling 3 contracts. One contract equal 100 shares. We have 300 shares, so we can sell 3. This will be a market order. I'm going to review and submit this one. Next, Corsair Gaming is still going until August 20th. We're going to move to the next one, GoPro. We have 200 shares. Cost basis $11.36 a share. Click on the down arrow, go to options chain. And we are 4 days out, $11.36 is our cost basis. We'll do $11.50, the first one above that. Click on trade. Reading this, GoPro, expiration of 13, $11.50 strike price, call option. We're going to sell to open, quantity of 2. We have 2 contracts. This will be a market order. I'll review and submit this one. Our Nano Dimensions and Orbital Energy are still going until August 20th. So we have sold all the calls on all the stocks we've owned. Looking at our cash on hand, we have $1,333.31. I'm going to go up to trade and go to options chain. This week I'm going to look at Zynga, ZNGA. This is one we've done in the past. You know, if you have a small account, you're just starting off, you know, this is one you could do, of course, at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but for small accounts, you know, to get started, it's currently at $8.11. We're going to do the $8 put. So if you had $800, you could do this one. Once we find the one we want, we're going to do trade. This is assuming you don't own it yet. So we're going to sell a put for $8. If you did own it, you could sell an $8 call. So we're going to click on the one we want right here on trade. We're selling Zynga, $8.13, $8 strike price. This is a put option. If this drops below $8, we will own the stock. That's just something to be aware of. If you're buying this one, you would sell to open, do a quantity of 1. This is going to be a market order. So with $13.49 in cash, we spent $800 gives us about $500. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more shares for AGNC. Currently we have 25 shares. It's kind of like our little dividend that we're building in here. Price is $15.89. Cost base is $16.09. So I'm gonna click the down arrow and I'm gonna go right here to buy shares. So looking at this, it is a buy 10 quantity. I'm just gonna do 10. We're just gonna do a market order. We could set this as limit, but I'm just gonna do a market order. We'll review and submit this one. So we've sold all of our calls and puts, added a few to the dividend account. Let's go to history. And looking at Blink call, the Wish calls, GoPro, and Zanga. So looking at this week, we got a total of 1635, 635, 635, 7669, 3835, and 3235. And I have changed this sheet just a little bit. We're just doing the totals for the week. And looking at this, 1635, 2635, 7669, 3835, and 3235 comes out to $176.44. So for this week, $176.44. So not a bad week at all, especially in a market like this where it's so volatile and there's so many emotions going in it. So guys, if you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you're subscribed already, don't forget to hit the notification bell. It will alert you anytime there's a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.